Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Aha. We are going to react to the song Take On Me. This is a live version from 2017 MTV Unplugged. It's a request of our patron Jono. We have both heard this song, but this time...
Not the MTV Unplugged
Not the
version.
MTV Unplugged.
The video, we watched
Yeah.
the video
Yeah.
with Mokembo Jr. More than a year ago.
It's been a while.
Almost 2 years probably.
But I'm looking forward to this. I don't know, very excited. Let's listen to this.
Talking away. Oh, I don't know what I'm to say, I'll say it anyway. Today is another day to find you shying away. I'll be coming for your love, okay, and take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. So needless to say, I'm odds and ends, but that's me, I'm stumbling away, slowly learning that life is okay, and say after me, it's no better to be safe than sorry, and take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. And all things that you say, is it life or just to play my worries away? You're all the things I've got to remember, you're shying away. I'll be coming for you anyway. Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. I'll be gone in a day or two. In a day or two.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. You're wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful.
His singing voice and his normal talking voice are completely different. When he sings, it's like sweet as honey. It sounds soothing, subtle, relaxing. But when he talks, it's completely different.
That might have been another member.
I hope so. I really hope so.
Either way, yeah, it was a good toned down version of it, unplugged, kept as pure and raw as possible. Of course, the highlights of the original version of theirs is that it is mainly the keyboards, mainly his vocals, and mainly the music video that comes along with it all, that adds the icing to the cake. So, but here it's just a toned down, stripped down version, kept as basic as possible. I was wondering how the keyboard tune would be done, and then the piano started it. Wonderfully done, but yeah, it's definitely not the original, and definitely not as good an experience as listening to the original version of theirs. Not that it's a cover or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I guess they did the best for an unplugged version, unplugged setup.
Yeah.
They kept it nice and pure and simple. Yeah, very well done, very, very well sung, and relaxing and soothing on our ears, and definitely adds a different dimension to the song. You know, there it's more aggressive, more violent, more in that comic book thing, character
Fun
coming
like,
alive.
yeah.
You know, you get involved, but at the same time it's also violent. And here it's more you know, just about the singing, just about the instruments. So there's a certain degree of purity in this which you won't find in the original version that comes along with the music video. So I like that about this version. But obviously, given a choice any day of the year, I would pick the original. Simply because there, when the keyboards come in and the pace of it all is so much more brilliant and vibrant and lively than this one.
I like the song. I like the original song, and for me, this one was more personal. It felt he was directly singing to the one. So they both have their own charm, but definitely, like Savio says, it is original pick is all-time pick for people, even for me. This is good. This is not bad, but original is always the experience of this song. This one it sounded more romantic, much more romantic.
You know, to make it more clear-cut, what I'm trying to say is, because maybe people may not get it, Kirti doesn't get it most times.
No.
The fact is that if I had only listened to this song, and let's say I've not heard the original, if I had only listened to this song, I would not even give this a good review. Because I've heard so many better songs than this performance, that I would not even care to listen to this a second time. Maybe I wouldn't even listen to the whole song. You know, so that's my personal opinion and my honest opinion. If it was only this song and the first time I was listening to it, trust me, this would have not been a good review. And obviously, automatically now it's not seeming to be a good review, at least for me. But because I've heard the original, I'll say, okay, you know, it's their own song, they decided to do this for the unplugged thing. I'd have certainly liked a lot more piano in there, a lot more violins, cello, something more that was unplugged. I would like more of it in there. But unfortunately, it was done in a very meek, weak manner. It was pure through music, yes, agreed. But then in this session alone, I've heard at least 4 songs which were pure through music, whether it was Bobby Darin, whether it was Simon and Garfunkel, which was way better than this. Way, way, way better than this. I can't even compare this to Simon and Garfunkel or the Bobby Darin song that we heard. So in all fairness, on its own, not a good song. Not a good performance, but keeping the original in mind, it makes it sound better, if that makes any sense to the music lover out there, who's an unbiased person over here, which I highly doubt. Something about these kind of artists and bands, they never come with an open mind. And that's the biggest problem. When you don't come with an open mind to a reaction video, why even bother watching and listening to what we have to say? The moment the song ends, leave. Leave. Do yourself a huge favor. Because your mind is already closed. Why are you here?